Welcome to another video from Build Mystery. Today, we're showcasing some incredible mango harvesting to bottle juice production that you've probably never seen before. Mango production begins in the orchard, where ripe mangoes are carefully harvested from the trees by hand to ensure quality and minimize damage. Once picked, the mangoes are collected and transported to the processing facility. At the facility, the mangoes go through a thorough washing process to remove dirt and impurities. Then, they are sorted based on size and ripeness. Next, the mangoes are fed into specialized cutting and peeling machines that efficiently remove the skin and cut the fruit into smaller pieces. The cut mango pieces are then processed through pulping machines to extract fresh mango pulp. The pulp is mixed with water, sugar, and other ingredients in large mixers to prepare the mango juice. To ensure safety and extend shelf life, the juice undergoes pasteurization. a heating process that kills harmful bacteria without affecting taste. Pasteurized juice is then transferred to an automated bottling machine, where it is filled into sterilized bottles under hygienic conditions. Finally, the bottles are sealed, labeled, and packed for distribution to stores and consumers. And this is how fresh mangoes go from the orchard to your bottle, ready to refresh and delight. Thank you for watching our video. If you found it interesting, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We've got more amazing machines to share with you very soon.